everybody, welcome to my channel. I have Ellowyne with me. This is the latest Ellowyne. She is called Garden Variety, and I got her through the Virtual Doll Convention website by Rachel Hoffman. And she is a beautiful doll designed by Robert Tonner. And she's going to help me open up this fabulous box. Alright, so hold on. Let me get the camera on a little tripod thingy, and we will see what's inside. So I want to thank Rachel for sending me this box to share with you guys today. And there's a link down in the description if you're interested in this box or dollies or anything Ellowyne Nema related, Grace related, Tonner fashion doll related. This is the London Luxe box. I'll have links down below to the Ellowyne subscription box area as well as the Ellowyne and Nema boutique on the Virtual Doll Convention website down below. But one really cool thing that Rachel has done this time is, besides just having the box subscription, she also has the same outfit in a beautiful teal color. So if you get the box subscription, you end up with the eggplant color, and you can also buy the teal colored outfit as an add-on. And there's also some super cute shoes. All right, let's open it up. And then here's all the goodies. And one of the things I really like about her boxes, you can really see everything's thought out, and she's created an experience for you. Besides the fact there's fabulous stuff inside for your doll. So, all right, we have Wilde Style Watch, Season 2, Volume, I think that's Roman number 2. Yes, September 2024. So this is the September box. Like I said, it's still in there. Okay, and we've got... Oh, cool. So she has like a little brochure that talks about the outfits. So she has some cool stuff here about London. Some great... So yeah, this was the outfit from the Paris box. I've got Nema wearing that. Maybe she'll pop in here later. Okay. And then we've got some fun little cutouts that you can use to make displays. We have a London map, so she might need that because now I guess she and Nema are probably going to be walking around London now. They already did Paris. We got the London Beatles Festival. Cool. A little postcard. And these are cool, so I could cut these out and make like a little teacup and a little purse. That's neato. All right, here we go. Ooh, look at this. Oh my gosh. London Pan Am Traveler's Notebook. This is cool. I love little things like this, little books and stuff. How cool is that? I'll take it out of the plastic here in a minute. And we've got some little lemon curd. You know, I have some English muffins. I'll have to try this on there. Okay, Wilkin and Sons Limited. Yummies to my tummies. We've got a little flag. British flag. Oh, some cool stickers. Like I said, there's like an experience here. It's not just bam, here's your clothing. Oh, English breakfast tea, and I have to say, oh, I actually use this. Okay, so I love black tea. I like English breakfast tea, Earl Grey, anything in the black tea family like that. I drink a big old cup every morning, so I'm not a coffee person. All right, so let's see what's in here. Oh, the earrings. That's right. It comes with earrings. I forgot. And I have not pierced any of the ears on my Ellowynes yet, but I'm going to do so. I do plan on doing it. I was hesitant, but when I saw this and I saw these earrings, they are so pretty. Let me take them out of the little thingy here. They look very elegant. And of course, they're perfectly sized for the doll. There we go. Very, very elegant. Very classic. Could go with all kinds of stuff. Awesome. All right, and they packaged it really nicely. Aw. Oh, that's right. So don't forget, I don't know if you know this or not, but in October, which is like by the time I post this now, she has a October Doll Discovery Month and Tonner Fest that she's running. And if you go, I'll also try to remember to put the link there, but it's on the Virtual Doll Convention website. And it's very cool because I've been to at least 2 of her fests, and they're totally worth it. She asks for a donation as small as $5, and for $5 you get access to all kinds of information, and then you'll be the first to be able to shop for some of the items like dolls and clothing and such. So definitely it's worth $5, people. Come on. Okay. All right, I want to look at this at last. Oh, Pride and Peppermints, Jane Austen's. Okay, so if you know me well, then you know I'm a total Jane Austen freak. And in fact, I have a book that just came out. Shameless plug. I'm getting ready to send this copy off to a friend of mine who also really likes Jane Austen. But this is a book I wrote with a fellow professor at the college where I work, and it just came out not that long ago. All right, it's a nerdy academic book. So by the way, folks. And then here she has the paper doll. She always has like a paper doll. So this is the same outfit. And then you can cut it out and put it on the paper doll. Very, very cool. All right, so let's open up this. So it looks so pretty. I mean, it looks like really luxurious fabric. And let me just say, you guys know I sew, but I can't sew for all the dolls. I just don't have the time. And some of this stuff is just so well made. I really don't even have, honestly, the patience or skill sometimes to do something like this. I mean, holy cow. Look at this jacket. Oh, it's really soft. It's lined. Look at that. And we've got snaps. Yay for snaps. Yes, because this is the type of fabric you would not want to do Velcro. No way, Jose. That would be not good. I really like this. I like how it looks like buttons, but it's not. I can't imagine trying to button up those tiny little buttons. But look how beautifully lined this is. Look at this. And then it's cut in the back. Oh, and it's got buttons in the back. Look at that. This, you know what? I thought this was burgundy, but it's really more of like a deep plum to me. Like it's, you know, verging on eggplant. I love it. It's beautiful. I imagine the teal's really pretty too. All right, and then we've got the skirt, same fabric. And Christopher mentioned this in the video, and what's really cool is we don't have to iron anything here. I mean, I guess this fabric doesn't wrinkle. And I think this is also, yes, it's lined too. With a zipper. I don't do zippers too much. Look at that. Too much, like ever. More like it. And it's got a little kick pleat. All right, she's got her little tag, VDC. Very cool. I'm not sure who. I'm going to have somebody model this, obviously, at the end. I don't know who it's going to be, but somebody will. And then this is cute. So this is something also Christopher was talking about in the video when they were first showing this. This is what they call a dickie. So instead of doing a full-on shirt and, you know, kind of being a little bit too much, because this jacket looks pretty form-fitting to me, they asked them if they could do a dickie, so it's going to look like there's a full-on shirt underneath, but it won't be, you know, so bulky for the doll. So yeah, very cool. All right, well, oh, and I want to open this up here too. Let's open this up. Looks like a little notebook thing. This would be handy for my purse. Actually, the other day I was at the DMV and I could have used this while I was waiting around. I thought of some things to write down. Oh, okay. So date, departure from, arrived at. So this is if you're traveling. Cool. Oh, traveler's notebook. Okay, I get it. This is cute though. But this is a nice small little thing I could put in my purse. I've got a little map of the world. All right, so let's get somebody dressed and I'll be right back. Just real quick, here's the inside of the box. And these boxes are pretty sturdy, so I actually keep some of them sometimes and use them for dolly storage. So yeah, super, super cute. Looks like a little suitcase and very functional. All right, I decided to put it on this Ellowyne Wilde. She is one of the first Ellowynes that I ever purchased, and she is considered one of their basic dolls. And I thought everything was good on this doll. Plus, I thought it was cool because she has a new wig. This was part of some swag out of the Paris box that I purchased last month. And also, she had these new shoes, also swag. So I thought, you know, the black shoes I think really worked well with it. And there are some additional black shoes in the Ellowyne shop right now if you needed to get some black shoes. I think black shoes are something you always need, right, in the dolly wardrobe. And yeah, the earrings I don't have on anybody yet because, like I said, I need to pierce some ears. So definitely these have encouraged me to do that, actually. Like I said, I think I'm ready to do it. And I will do a video of that if I do it. But anyway, so here she is. This was very easy to put on. It fits her really well. I didn't have to really struggle at all to get it all together, so that was really nice. And this, like I said, this fabric's really soft. For me, this would be a nightmare fabric to sew with. So I can really appreciate it because it's soft and it's kind of like slippery. And then the inside, like I showed you, is lined. All the way down. The sleeves are totally lined and everything. So yes, having to work with that type of fabric, I've always found a little bit of a struggle. Right, I turned her head a little bit so you can get a look at the collar. I was concerned I'd have a hard time getting this dicky underneath the jacket, but like I said, all of it really went on very easily. And I think it looks really, really good on her. Fits her perfectly, not too tight, but not too loose. So the gals are plotting their day in the UK, bebopping around London. They're checking the map. They look so good together. Really like this group of dolls. Everything in the box was just totally spot on. There's a lot of thought and preparation, and there's just so many details that I really, really appreciate. I'm a detailed person. Yeah, some people call me maybe a little bit too detailed. I might overthink things a little bit, so when somebody else does it, I can really appreciate it. All right, so I have a link down below, like I said. Please let me know your thoughts about this super cool new outfit that Ellowyne is wearing, and anything else you'd like to share about Ellowyne or Nema in the comments down below. As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.